Now that you have your slab that you just got off the slab roller, we're going to transfer it to your board. So you can literally just kind of pick it up. Kind of, sort of. There we go. Place it on your board. This piece fell off, that's okay. Depends on what you need to make with it, how long you really need it. And then we're going to start smoothing it out. So I'm taking my metal rib and I'm just lightly going over. You notice you have the texture from the canvas and then you have the smooth surface. If you get a lot of clay built up, just kind of take it to the side, rub it off, and then go again. You can go in both directions. You can flip it over. And you can do the other side. You're not using a lot of pressure. You're just trying to get that canvas marks off. If you start with a smooth piece of clay, it makes your cleanup process and making everything look good at the end a lot better. You have a sponge in your kit and a bucket of water here next to me always. I'm gonna wring out my sponge. I can take this along the edges. I can clean up the edges. You can also use a sponge on the top if you prefer that, but you'll notice it leaves those kind of marks. Oops, a little too close. So you get the texture from the sponge actually in this. Smooth from the rib, texture from the sponge. So I typically just use the sponge on my edges that I can't really use the rib for. You can always use your fingers too. Just dip your fingers, get them wet, and you can run them along the edge. That's if you need the edge. If you don't need the edge, don't worry about that. Just worry about cleaning off your surface. Now this piece is ready to turn into whatever you may need. Cylinder, bowl, plate, whatever. It's unlimited. Use your imagination.